Hey everyone, as you can see, I've already finished my face shave. I tried to do that on camera, but for whatever reason, my phone just stopped recording, went black screen, and did a little spinny wheel. So I figured I probably lost what I'd recorded the first two passes. So I finished the third pass without recording, and then I look, and lo and behold, there's the first half. So anyway, we're gonna do a head shave. The soap this evening is going to be Angora Soap's High Roller. This is a fantastic soap out of Virginia. The scent notes on this are, let me get this right here, black leather, patchouli, and vetiver with floral scents on top. Generally speaking, I am not someone that likes really strong leather scents. I like leather, but I just don't want it to be the main note. And I have some scents, some soaps that are very leather forward, and they're not bad, but they're not ones I gravitate towards frequently. This one does a fantastic job of blending the leather notes with the leather note with everything else. And it works. It's a beautiful scent. It's one that my wife even said that she would use if she didn't have her own soap. This is one that she would raid my den for and use. And that's pretty high praise, especially for my wife. She does not like leather or masculine scents. She does not like musks at all. But this one is one that she thoroughly enjoys. So the brush is going to be the Simpsons Chubby 2 synthetic. Beautiful brush. Absolutely love this thing. That was given to me by a good friend of mine. And the razor, we're gonna go with the IBC. Now, if you've seen this one, you've seen the chrome handle, you've seen the all red. With this one, I did not buy just a normal handle. I have 3 separate IBCs. Yes, 3. Now, you may ask yourself, why do you have 3? Because I love the IBC. They're phenomenal razors. So with this, the first time I heard about the IBC was at Maggard's. When I was there in 2019. So I bought one, I ordered one from Maggard's. That was my all chrome one. And then I got the red Cerakote. Ordered that one from IBC directly, or Urban Barber Company. And they're out of California, so I ordered directly from them. This one I got from the Razor Company. As with the soap as well, I got that from the Razor Company. So, ooh, that's performing really well. Soap's a little bit semi-dry because I did do a full face shave beforehand, as I mentioned. But still performing well. Don't know if I'll go against the grain tonight. I don't always want to use a Shavette, though I have. I'm just looking at the soap I have in my bowl. I don't know if I have enough to go against the grain. So we'll see what I end up doing here. But it's coming off nicely here. A little bit of good feedback here. Yeah, it's just coming off. The soap is wonderful stuff. I really, really like this scent. And it's performing, even though it's slightly underhydrated now, just because there's not a lot of soap left. After my face shave. It still is doing well. It's rinsing off easily off of the Shavette, which is awesome stuff. Ooh, a little slick. Better wipe off the tang and all that, the handle. Now, Angora does not currently offer splashes. At least not that I'm aware of. Which is a shame, because this scent is phenomenal. The lather itself, when using it on my face, and still now on my head, was dense, slick, and luxurious. And I can't recall. Oh shoot, let's look. Yeah, this lather's drying out a teeny bit here. This is my bad. Okay, the soap itself is $16 for, I want to say 4.5 ounces. Yeah, 4.5 ounces for 16 bucks. So not bad price. And I've only bowl lathered the soap, but I've used synthetic and badger hair brushes to bowl lather, and they've both worked really well. Around the ear can be challenging, so I don't talk a whole lot here. Especially with my left hand, because I am right hand dominant. And the last time I think I used the Shavette on my head, one of the last times I got a nice little cut right behind the ear because it went in the wrong angle. So if you're going to use a Shavette on the head, be careful around that ear. The top of the ear, especially behind the ear, that's what's really dangerous. Oh, you know, even the back of the head, you can't see the back of the head, so that's all on feel and instinct. But is that the closest shave ever? Nah. Do I expect to be super close with a Shavette on the head? Nah. Would that be socially acceptable? Yep. That's kind of what I'm going for. Although I'm not really going anywhere tomorrow. Alright, that feels better. I can tell that was getting it. Little spots right there. I might do some cleanup off camera just to get little spots that are harder to get with this. Or I'll just do a little bit more cleanup off camera. Don't want to bore you guys too much. So, the soap. Angora Soaps High Roller. Fantastic scent. Beautiful, beautiful leather, floral, beautifully blended. I like the label. I love the Angora cat. And on the back, tells you the ingredients and how to contact the company. So, very good soap. Love the scent. I did get a puck. I did get this from Jeffrey Smith, and it works. It is a phenomenal soap. As I mentioned, I have lathered it a couple times, but never off the puck directly, and it's never failed. It's always been a great soap, whether it be a head shave or a face shave. So anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching through this 10-minute one-pass head shave, and I'll catch y'all next time.